Introduction. Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of on-page SEO for YouTube. On-page SEO techniques are essential for optimizing your videos and increasing their visibility in search results. By implementing these strategies, you can attract more viewers and grow your channel. So, let's get started and master on-page SEO for YouTube. Segment 1. Understanding on-page SEO. 1 minute. Host. Before we delve into the specifics, let's begin by understanding what on-page SEO is. On-page SEO refers to the optimization techniques we can implement directly on our YouTube videos to improve their search engine rankings and attract more viewers. It involves various factors such as keyword research, metadata optimization, and content structure. Segment 2. Keyword research and optimization. 2 minutes. Host. Keyword research is a crucial aspect of on-page SEO. It involves finding relevant keywords that align with your video's content and target audience. By utilizing tools like the YouTube Keyword Planner and conducting thorough research, you can identify the right keywords to include in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Optimizing your video with these keywords will help it rank higher in search results and attract organic traffic. Segment 3. Metadata Optimization. 2 minutes. Host. Metadata optimization is another key factor in on-page SEO. Title tags, meta descriptions, and thumbnail selection are all part of metadata optimization. Craft a compelling title that includes your primary keyword and entices viewers to click on your video. Write a concise and engaging meta description that accurately summarizes your video's content. Don't forget to select an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your video and encourages clicks. Segment 4. Content optimization. 2 minutes. Host. Content optimization is vital for on-page SEO. Ensure that your video's content is valuable, informative, and engaging for viewers. Use relevant heading tags to structure your video's content and make it easier for both viewers and search engines to understand. Incorporate your primary and secondary keywords naturally throughout the video, and provide clear and concise information. Segment 5. Image optimization and alt tags. 1 minute. Host. Image optimization is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in on-page SEO. Optimize your images by reducing file sizes without compromising quality. Additionally, use descriptive alt tags for your images to provide context and improve accessibility. Alt tags also serve as another opportunity to include relevant keywords. Segment 6. Mobile optimization and page speed. 1 minute. Host. With the majority of viewers accessing YouTube on mobile devices, mobile optimization is essential. Ensure that your videos are responsive and display properly on mobile screens. Additionally, optimize your video's page speed by compressing images, leveraging caching, and minimizing code. A fast-loading video page enhances the user experience and positively impacts search engine rankings. Conclusion, and there you have it. By mastering on-page SEO for YouTube, you can optimize your videos to reach a wider audience, increase visibility, and grow your channel. Remember to conduct thorough keyword research, optimize your metadata, create valuable content, and optimize your images and page speed. By implementing these strategies, you'll improve your video's visibility in search results and attract more organic traffic. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Outro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments related to on-page SEO in the comment section below. Until next time, happy optimizing and best of luck with your YouTube journey.